This is Tom in Naperville, where we are completing a project for a customer, a new roof. We're putting on GAF Timberline Ultra HD shingles. They're going to get the extended warranty, the Golden Pledge roof warranty. Here are the shingles going up the ladder automatically to the top of the roof, where the men then grab them and disperse them throughout the roof. Over on the side over here, we got the tarp on the ground, collecting all the debris from the tearing off of the shingles. Here we are on the side of the house. Again, here in Naperville with Opal. We'll come to the back of the house. We'll get a better view here of, again, all the shingles. Most of them have been torn off. And here we are, again, doing some more work back here in Naperville. Brand new roof. The color, again, Mission Brown with the GAF Timberline